Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Excel in Android mobile phone using WPS Office. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my WPS Office application and then I'm going to go to the recent menu. Okay, then we can click on create. And if you want to create Excel file, you can choose XLS. Okay, right here, and then you can choose either you want to create blank document or you want to use the template. Okay, if you want to use template, just select the template that you want to use. And for me, I'm just going to create blank document. So we can click on this plus icon and then new document will be created. Okay, and this is the view of the Excel on WPS, and then I'm going to practice creating table. Okay, I'm going to add number, number like this, and then name. Okay, and if you want to create table, you just need to select the cell like this, and then you're going to go to the border. I'm going to click on this icon and then we're going to add border here. Okay, if you want to access the menu guys, just click on this icon or the symbol and then you will open the home menu and then file and view, insert data, and also review. Okay, and then I'm going to use the function, so we can click on the cell and then I'm going to sum something here. I'm going to add the number right here. Okay, and then let's try to use the sum function. Okay, I'm going to sum this one and also this one, and then click on the check mark, and this is the result. Yeah, you can use the function as on the Microsoft Excel on desktop. Okay, and if you want to add new sheet, you can click on this plus icon like this, and new sheet will be added to your document. Okay, and these are the quick access. You can bold the text here, and then you can merge and also apply the wrap text. Okay, and if you want to save it, just click on this save button and then you can name your file, and I'm going to name it Excel like this, and then you can choose the format. Okay, then you can click on save. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use Excel in Android mobile phone and WPS Office. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.